Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw Doraemon together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw a large circle for the head outline and close it with an horizontal line. Draw a circle for the nose and two larger circles around the eyes. Draw an oval for the iris of the eye and a small circle for the pupil. Do the same for the other eye. Draw a small vertical line from the nose, then draw a letter C, an arched line, and a reflected letter C. Now draw the open mouth and tongue line. Draw 6 lines for the whiskers. And draw the line of the muzzle from the neck to the eye. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Now draw a circle for the bell. Draw 2 horizontal lines inside of it, a small circle and a vertical line. Draw the color. Start by leaving some space from the neck and draw the body with a vertical line, and a horizontal one and another vertical one, like I do. From the color, draw the line of the arm and a circle for the hand. Do the same thing for the other arm. Now draw a circle for the belly and its pouch. Finally, draw the feet. and Doraemon turned out great. Good job! Now let's state the colors. Use black for the iris of the eye. Color the head and body with blue. Use pink for the tongue. Red for the inside of the mouth, nose and collar. And color the bell with yellow and its inner parts with brown. Excellent! Our Doraemon is ready for his new adventure. Goodbye, my friends. See you soon.